Welcome to Etsy Shop Reviews episode 67. Today we're looking at a shop that sells digital prints from a subscriber and follower of the channel that I know has been around for some time, and their shop is really good. So I'm looking forward to reviewing this one with you guys. Let's get to it. So the shop is Lil Pug Prints, and they sell digital prints for children's rooms. You can see it right there at the top in their shop announcement. They also are using emojis to draw your eyes' attention to the fact that if you purchase more of them, you get a discount. You can get 5 prints for the price of 3, or get 3 prints for the price of 2 using these codes. So I love that. That's a great usage of that real estate there. I love the consistent branding. The logo's a lot of fun. You've got the consistent colors in their logo. Their logo's in their banner. Their banner uses the colors. And they've got the promotion of those codes as well. So the first thing that they want you to know, just at a glance, we haven't even looked at their products yet, is that they're selling something geared towards kids. You can kind of just tell from the design style. And you can then see that, oh, and if I purchase multiple products, I get a deal. So hey, they're selling digital, right? They want to just get you to add as many products to your cart as possible because it's in their best interest. That's how they make the most money. So they're incentivizing you to purchase more than one. So immediately, I love that. They've already got, a 5-star review, average review, 5 stars in their shop. And this is what I think really sets their shop apart down here. Check out, number one, just the quality of their work, whether they're using AI, whether they're doing it themselves, however they reached this endpoint. You got to give it to them. It's a quality product. Like, we're talking about selling and purchasing digital downloads at the end of the day here. So these graphics, in the case of, here where we're selling graphics, the quality needs to be there if you want customers to actually, number one, click them in search results, number two, purchase them. And you can see here they're incentivizing the sale by running an Etsy sale. Looks like they've got 50% off locked in. One little thing you could do better is shortening the duration of your sale. If you're into resetting it every single day, that is to your benefit. You get alerts sent to people that are potential customers that maybe have favorited or added to cart. And you get the little timer. Sometimes they will put it differently in different ways on the Etsy page, but they typically try to display to the customer, hey, this sale is ending soon, so you might want to check out immediately. You've already done a lot right on your shop, so I'm nitpicking there by saying run a shorter duration sale, but why not? You've got some great listing images though, especially I love how you've got the primary listing images here. I think that the way you put instant download in the corner, it draws attention, number one. So if we're just seeing you in search results next to a bunch of your competitors, like, it draws your attention. That color pink, great contrast with the black next to it. You can clearly see it says instant download. So we know what to expect. You're setting the expectation right away. So you're not gonna have to do a bunch of customer service. They'll know from reading it, as long as they speak English, that it is in fact a digital download. You've got a competitive price at $1.66 with the 50% off, making the customers feel like, hey, they're getting a deal. When they click you, your listings are well optimized. You know what I mean? We've got multiple product images giving them ideas of how to potentially utilize these. Then we get into the instructional side of things, how to use it, download, choose desired print size, print online or local. You've got the included sizes here. All right, you've got it in inches and centimeters. Why not? And then a couple more additional images to close out. I would say, video never hurt. In this case too, you can make a video out of a static image by just doing the little pan, you know what I mean? Like where the video just kind of pans in or out, right? I do that on the intros to a lot of my videos just to add a little bit of a motion effect. And that's something that you could do, or at least I know it's extra work, so you could reserve doing that for your best sellers. If you're interested in the MyDesigns software, I can link to that in the description. They also added the ability where, sorry for interrupting, I wanted to let you know that linked in the description, you can find my free print-on-demand mini course that is completely new for 2023. If you sign up, it'll help you get your first sale. And down there, you'll find a link to my print-on-demand Facebook group. I hope you'll join the community. MyDesigns added the ability to generate videos for you on their servers using your static listing images. So if you haven't tried that, it is definitely probably worth it because I think your listings are so high quality, but especially make sure to do that for your best sellers. Beyond that, I mean, you're selling digital products. You don't need to go too far above and beyond and get too crazy with selling these. What I would recommend doing is just developing a templated approach to creating these listings and then just go in and focus on creating really high quality work in terms of the artwork, which it looks like you've done. Loving your color schemes, by the way. Great contrast everywhere. I mean, really just well done. And then from there, like, just keep iterating through the process. Launch more and more and more products. It looks like you've got 93 up. You've sold 23. That's awesome. We can actually click and see what has sold in the past. Looks like you've got a pretty like wide variety of sales. You know, a couple of the foxes, couple of the, what else? Anything else? The toucans. Did I see that? Okay, different toucan listings. Anyways, yeah, I mean, if you start seeing multiple sales, you got multiple elephant sales. If you start seeing like multiple sales in any one animal, then, you know, take that as a signal and double down on that, triple down on that. Because, you know, hey, maybe the market is like underserved relative to the demand in that niche. But besides that, I think you've done a great job. I mean, in terms of digital download shops, it would not surprise me if we check back in like a year and, you know, your shop is just gone crazy with the number of sales that you've made. All of a sudden you're at like multiple thousands of sales. You know, I hope that that's the case for you. Keep it up, and I know it will be, right? Just keep launching more products. Looks like your customers love it too. You've got 18 reviews already. Really well done. Guys, that's it for today's Etsy shop review. If you drew inspiration from this, by the way, get going. You know what I mean? While you got the inspiration inside of you from seeing such an awesome shop, go and, you know, start implementing what you learned into your own shop, or at least make notes so you don't forget it. All right. That's it though. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe on your way out. I will drop a link to MyDesigns in case you want to check out their video functionality. By the way, they do like everything under the sun that you need to succeed as a print-on-demand seller on Etsy. So check that out. And they do it all in bulk, by the way. I love that part because it saves time. But, you know, in this case, like, this shop could definitely benefit from adding videos. That is one thing that they are missing. And MyDesigns could do it for all 93 of your listings at the same time. Yeah, pretty good. All right, guys, thanks for watching, though. I will see you tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.